The first thing I can tell you is that the PSL will forever have issues for as long as this issue of VAR is not taken care of. The stakes are very high. We work very hard to build our teams. And if you want to see that this goal was an offside, just wait for the touch that goes to Silva, and already Aidan McCarthy is on the other side, is offside. And you lose the game, nobody cares. You concede goals, people are saying, no, you conceded goals because you don't defend well. But the reality is, the league must work very hard on working on this thing. The game has become too dynamic. The game has become too dynamic. It's not us, it's the game that should tell us that it's too difficult even for the officials to follow and track the runs of these players. Because I cannot always blame the officials. The game itself has become too dynamic, and it demands that we must respond to that. We are not playing for 500,000 rands here. We are playing for 20 million rands. So we should be considering looking into this thing of VAR. Otherwise, we will keep losing matches like this and people will be okay with it.